Hey guys, and welcome to PJ's Coin Capers. So it's been a few days since I put the video out there asking for your help, sort of wanting some direction, and you guys have really you guys have been amazing. The interaction, the feedback, the tips, the suggestions, and just some really great ideas of what you'd like to see happen on the channel has been absolutely awesome. So a big thank you. Yeah, I've sort of come up with a few, I suppose, things I'd love to do, and I'm trying to work out ways of doing some other things. So I look forward to trying to put those sort of things together. Yeah, yeah, I'm gonna try and keep things interesting. That's what I want to do. I don't want to keep doing the same things. I want to try and put together different information, and I'm learning along the way as well. So I'm certainly not ever saying that I know it all, because I certainly don't, and I just like to be able to share what I do learn. So that's sort of the purpose of this channel, is to get the information out there, help new coin collectors. A lot of kids contact me, and a lot of new adult collectors, which is great. I was how old was I when I started? Probably about 38, 39, somewhere in there. So yeah, I've only been collecting for a few years, 4 or 5 years. So yeah, so it's a great hobby. So and I'm sure you all know that and you enjoy it. So I have one other thing to ask. Now, I have a daughter who is 21. She is a barista. Now, I've been bugging her to make a YouTube channel around coffee. She is unbelievably gifted at making coffee and doing coffee art and that kind of stuff. And I've been bugging her for ages to come on, Tiani, you've got to do this, and share your knowledge. And she's not too keen. But yeah, what do you reckon, guys? Should she make a YouTube channel? I'd love to help her. I'd love to be able to, push her along a little bit and put some stuff out there. Our family are absolute coffee snobs. We remember destinations by the coffee that we have. So we have a coffee machine at home, and I actually don't know how to make coffee. So I would certainly value being able to watch her videos. So hey, in the comments, please let me know whether or not Tiani should make her own barista channel. So how to make coffee, how to do everything at home, look at different coffees and show some coffee art, all that sort of stuff. I'm really keen for her to do it, and I think she just needs a little bit of encouragement. Alright guys, so let's get on with today's video. So I suppose part of what you guys have been saying is you want to see some of my collection. My collection is probably not that of a typical coin collector. I've always focused, and I suppose at the start I sort of focused on finding coins that I could flip and generate some income, just some pocket money, I suppose. And when I first started, I would find a few coins, and it may have been like a 1972 5-cent coin, and until sort of 2014, a 5-cent coin was worth 5 cents. And all of a sudden, I was putting these coins on eBay, and someone was paying me $5 for my 5-cent coin, and I couldn't believe it. Like I was just shocked. So that's what sort of started it. And actually, at that time of my life, money was actually fairly short. So I think I've sort of shared my story on how I got coin collecting, but things are a little bit different today. But I've been able to reinvest my coins, and so I've bought stuff that I now like looking at. But I also do keep a heap of sort of low mintage coins and little oddities and errors and those kind of things. And I look forward to buying more stuff. But I suppose what I wanted to show you today was more on the side of stuff that you do buy, and they're limited editions. So Everything I've got in front of us here today, we'll have a look a little bit closer at them. I've sort of picked out ones that are, well, the PNCs, which are the ones you see at the bottom of the screen, and we'll go into that a little bit more, and some of the boxed coin sets. Now, this I suppose what I'm getting at is that there's limited edition. So these coins are generally all numbered. So you don't get a choice what number you're going to get. Well, most of the time you don't. Certainly if you're ordering them from the Royal Australian Mint Shop or from Perth Mint, it's random. Whatever turns up in your mailbox is the number you get. And certainly numbered items, depending on the number, can add value to that item. So let's just have a look at a few of them. So we'll just grab from the top and sort of have a look. So this particular one, which was I think from year before last, I think it's got a date there, 2018. So it is it 20? It's hard to, yeah, it is 2018. So from last year, this was a special one that came out, and as you can see there, this is numbered 1, 2, 3 of 1111. So this particular one being only 1111 of this particular style, because it's got this different, sorry about the glare, it's got a different overstamp than what would have come out in post offices. So this was a ballot coin. I'm fairly sure that was it was a ballot coin. So I have done a video on ballots that Australia Post put out. Anyway, this one turned up and I got number 1, 2, 3, which I think's 0, 1, 2, 3, which I think's pretty cool. So it could add extra value because it is 0, 1, 2, 3. Certainly number 1 would be a highly valued one, and number 1111 out of 1111 is would be one that would add extra value. So I just wanted to sort of go through some of these. Now, not all of the PNCs. Now, just trying to see something. No, not all the PNCs have numbers on them. This is my favourite AFL team, the Hawks. That's who our family all barrack for. And this one doesn't have a number on it or anything like that. It was a limited edition of 13,000, but you know, I probably paid $20 for it. But it was, yeah, it's not a special one. It's just I wanted to have this one because I barrack for the Hawks, you know. So this one here is one of my favourite ones. Once again, it's not one of the special ones. They did come out with this one, which is the ballot version of this, which had a different postmark as such over the top, which was a limited number, which was a limited to the same number, 1111, all to do with Remembrance Day being on the 11th of the 11th. This one here is a special one because it's a $5 coin. So this one here, I'm still happy with the number because it's number 50, which is a low number of 15,000, but it's a beautiful coin. So yeah, I was quite happy to pick this one up. I managed to pick this up at the recommended retail price of $30 a couple of years ago, and I think they sell for probably $60 to $80 each. So some of them do go up in value, and particularly this one, I think it's just a loved coin, and yeah, so that's a good one. Holden a couple of years ago, the Mint brought out a couple of special ones, which were only available at the ANDA shows, the Money Expo. This was at the Melbourne Money Expo, and they're the dates there. And limited number to 750 of each of these at the show. I can't remember what I paid for them. I don't know if it's got a price on the back here. No. But yeah, the original one was limited to 8,000. But with the Ander, this one here was limited to 750. So yeah, I might have paid guessing around the $45 mark. They might be worth a bit more than that these days. Might be worth double. But you know, they're the kind of things you got to look out for is the low numbered ones, because they're the ones that are going to be harder to get, and that'll go up in price in the future. And just another one here which I just liked. This is from the Perth Mint, and don't know if this has got a number on it. No, it doesn't seem to, so they might have made plenty of these, but I liked it, so I bought it. And I'm pretty sure I bought it a lot cheaper than $25. I think I bought this off eBay, so I might have been selling a bulk number of them, and but I just bought it because I liked it. And I got another one here which I think I have put on an episode before, but so this I think was also from 2018. Yep, so 1st of November 2018, and yeah, there it is. So the number there is, hopefully you can see that, is 149 out of 150. So I think I did pay a fair amount for this though, but certainly for me, I liked the actual coin, and so I put in for the ballot on this one and managed to pick it up. So yeah, just 150 of these. So this was a very nice get for me. Alright, so not every coin comes out with a number. These ones back in 1984, which is the year that the $1 coin came out. So it says the Australian dollar coin first proof issue, so which is the case. So this was one of the first proof coins. Let's see if I can grab it out. As you can see, it's a beautiful coin, and 1984 on the back there. So yeah, this one's not numbered, so it does come with a little certificate, but it's not numbered. Just gives the details of the designers and all the information about the coin, diameter, and the weight and what it's made from. So yeah, but things have probably changed a little bit since then, and I bought this particular coin, which is the triangular $5 coin, which is the one from 2014. They did make these, I think they continue to make them. 2013 was the first year, and I'm pretty sure these are, I'll find out in a moment, but could be an ounce of silver. But yeah, we'll have a look at that one. But yeah, I just love the coin. I thought it was a beautiful coin, so I grabbed it, and I think I got it fairly cheap, which was good. I think these sell for a minimum of $150 plus now, so absolutely well worth getting. This one here was numbered, so you can see there, 4,111 out of 10,000. And let's just see what the so I don't think that's an ounce. I think it's less than an ounce. And what else we got? Yeah, it's just, yeah, it's pretty much pure silver, and it's in a proof state. So yeah, beautiful coin. And yeah, that number probably wouldn't add any extra value to it. The next one I've got here to show you is 5,052. Not a special number. What was the mintage? So we had 7,500 of this particular coin, which I absolutely love this coin. And so this is the round 50-cent coin from 2016, as you can see there. And it's got they do have a name for that, but I can't remember what it's called. Yeah, I suppose it's called inlaying, or I'm not sure if they've got the word here for it. But yeah, it's a lovely coin, 13.7 grams, and yeah, 7,500, as I said. Ah, there it is. Selectively gold plated. So yeah, not everywhere, but in certain spots. So yeah, it's one of those coins I absolutely love. It's great design and looks beautiful with the gold against the proof background there. So beautiful. All right. So the last coin, which I have highlighted on the channel before, is one that is very special. And even though the coin itself, this is a Perth minted coin, which is a kangaroo. Let's put that down. So this one here is 1 ounce, and it's once again, it's 99.99% silver, and we can see it there, and it's yeah, a beautiful coin. So the value of this particular coin, I think at the time, was around $100, $99 I think, and my son won a competition at the same show as this, at the Melbourne Money Expo, put his name in the hat, and they drew his name, and they sent him this prize, and it was numbered number 1. So I'm not sure how much extra value. If you do know, I'd love to hear what you think it's worth. Some people think it could be worth 3 times its value. Let me know what you think. What does a number 1, how many times would it, what sort of value would it add to a coin? So this piece of paper is actually probably worth more than the actual coin, because it is number 1. So yeah, this was just a little way that I wanted to show you a small part of my collection, and as well as be able to thank you guys for your input into the channel. So I'm very appreciative of that, and I love the interaction. So I love being able to talk to you guys, and yeah, it's a good part. It's the other way of being able to get feedback from you guys, and I love that. So thank you very much, and please, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please make sure you do so, because we've got plenty more coming up. I look forward to putting more together, and please give it a thumbs up if you've enjoyed this video, and if you are subscribed and you want to know when these videos go live, hit the little bell. There's a bell there near the subscription button. That'll alert you to when my videos get uploaded. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and I look forward to bringing another video to you soon.